Lali lali, my people from the other side. Lali lali means welcome from this to the side. And in case you're wondering, my name is Haitupo Leki Haita the writer. Hello! Today, without any waste of time, I'm going to showcase some of my sound equipment. We are jumping straight in. You can call me a violinist, otherwise a fiddler. So that's the very first sound instrument or equipment I'm going to showcase. Okay, I need to relax my ball, please. Good. So the second equipment is this bad boy right here, full channel mixer with USB. I bought this. Now I'm supposed to be telling you the price, all those things, but I can't remember some of the things because I bought some of them a while ago. So this is the mixer. Okay. I think I bought this around February this year. I think around February this year, February, March. I think around 20,000 naira. There about. Okay, maybe a little more than 20. So that's that. That's the second thing. That's the full channel mixer with USB. The next sound instrument is this box guitar here, to play guitar. So that's the second instrument. This one was actually a gift, and it has been with me for the past 7 years, since 2013. But you can see it's as good as brand new. The next is this. I think I bought this a little less than 10,000 naira. So after that, the next equipment I will showcase is this. This is a lapel mic. I've not been using it, and people have been complaining about my sound and all that. This lapel mic that I've not been using, I bought this a little less than 3,000 naira, I think. So it has an adapter. That's an adapter that you will need. You will need AA battery for it, the adapter. So that's the second thing. I do not want this video to be a very long one. So most of these things, the violin, I bought it on Jumia. The headphone, the mixer, the lapel mic, headphone, lapel mic, mixer. Yes, these ones I bought them somewhere in Jamaica. If you know Yola, you definitely know Jamaica in Adamawa State. I bought them, So this mic, Behringer C1. So one line is around, I think 30,000 naira. So around 30,000 naira, but for my guy, of course, brand new, but still, I think I got it for maybe 20 something or 20,000. Yeah. So the next thing is this sound card, AU control. So ultra low latency, what the easiest way to digitize your analog audio. It's also Behringer. So I think I bought this one around 20,000 also from him. Okay, let me just remove this so you can see. It's a very nice sound card, with outlets and outlets for so many things. You have your phones, you have the USB, you have all that. So it's another wonderful thing you need if you're interested in sound, whether it's just for YouTube or for your home studio. So this one is a pop filter for microphone use. Excuse me. So it's around 10,000 naira. There are others for less. The next item here is my MIDI keyboard. My MIDI keyboard, As you can see, it's clean, portable also. So for your soundtracks, if you want to, create sound or create matching your sound. So okay, the next one is this. I already showcased my Behringer mic. This one is the stand that can be for your mic. Actually, you can even remove this. You can remove this. But you can also remove this. Yes. With that Behringer mic, it goes perfectly with it. So that's that. I think we're done. So the next, just the cables for all those things. Here I have my player, speaker and all underneath this. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Peace.